Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel for Kutsinta. First, gather your ingredients: granulated sugar, water, and a small amount of butter. Using a heavy-bottomed saucepan is key to prevent burning the sugar. Also, ensure your Kutsinta molds are ready and waiting before you begin cooking the caramel. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process. Next, combine your granulated sugar and water in the heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Stir gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved into the water. This initial stirring is important. However, once the mixture begins to boil, stop stirring to prevent the sugar from crystallizing on the sides of the pan, which can ruin your caramel. Now, continue cooking the syrup without stirring. You'll notice it will start to change color. Keep a close eye on it as it transforms from clear to a beautiful amber hue. This stage happens quickly, so watch carefully to prevent it from burning, which can make it bitter. As soon as it reaches your desired rich amber color, remove the pan from the heat immediately. To finish, carefully stir in a small amount of butter. This adds a lovely richness and helps create a smoother texture. Then, working quickly and cautiously, pour the hot caramel into your prepared Kutsinta molds. It's crucial to let the caramel cool and set completely in the molds before you add your Kutsinta batter, ensuring a perfect base for your delicious treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.